If this error is preventing you from recording with the camera app, here's how you can fix it in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, what you can do is enable webcam access for the affected applications. Do that by opening Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Camera, turn on camera access if that setting is not enabled. Then after that, you also have to toggle on the Windows Camera app setting. Now if that method did not work, enable and start the Windows Camera Frame Server service. And in order for you to do that, open Windows Services, double-click on Windows Camera Frame Server, select Automatic in the Startup type, click Start, then click on the Logon tab, select the local system account, press Apply, then click OK to exit. And for your last solution, reset the camera application. So to do it, open Apps and Features, find the camera application, click More Options, select Advanced Options, scroll down, and select the Reset to reset the application. And those are the possible ways in fixing the camera app error in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.